Yep, on startup, yeah, it revs on a high idle. And something else, yes, and it normally goes down on first startup. I really think what the issue is, and also show the back.
So hey guys, I just want to point out that the smoke coming exhaust is way worse than is currently in the video. I'm not too sure why it dampened down, but the smoke was definitely worse than it actually is in this current video.
So what I think is happening, it's this PCV valve is going bad. I see a lot of videos online, so I'm gonna change this out real quick and just see what happens. So yeah, it might be this hose is broken too, but I'm gonna change this first. It's kind of, you just want to remove the clips, and I'll show you the new part. Okay, so this is a new part. Got it from Amazon. It's a Dorman. It's simple like this. It's a spring. It's a Dorman, and I'm just gonna change it out with this to this and see what happens. So this is how it looks when you remove it. I actually took a cloth and trying to clean this out. I also cleaned this hose because there was some oil in it. And I cleaned this hose, and hopefully, the noise and the smoke stops. Also, there's a hassle getting this off, but no worry, you break it because you can replace it anyway. So I kind of broke it off here, and also you're gonna want to replace it exactly how we found it, this way, and replace it with a new one. So we got a new one, and we're just gonna take it in and just try to get it in place, like line up with the screws, the notches, and just, it's kind of difficult trying to get it on. Spring over this and just try to notch it in place. One, it snaps in everywhere. And we changed it, so it's done. I'm just gonna connect back the hoses and run the vehicle over again to see how it runs and drives. So we started the car, changed the PCV valve system, and everything's better. At first I thought it was condensation, but through my research I realized it's changed the PCV valve. First I thought it was also a blown head gaskets, but it was a PCV valve. So $20 fix and take the worry off your head. So yep. And so if you like this, please like and subscribe. I'll also be doing more mods on this Volkswagen Jetta. So okay, thanks everyone.